Welcome back. We're going to take a quick look at XRP. So for XRP against BTC, we were saying last week that XRP is doing the best thing at the moment, which is actually consolidating. So we're actually moving sideways, and this looks to me like a potential symmetrical triangle, right? If you look over here, this is XRP USDT, right? Yeah, something like a symmetrical triangle, right? So if you could consolidate here a little bit, boom, we break the skinny pink line. Best thing ever. But of course, we need to see the completion of the symmetrical triangle. We still haven't seen it yet, so we have not seen it yet. So yeah, XRP against BTC again is also setting up a very not exactly high quality, but super bullish, not super bullish, but is a bullish sharp pattern, right? In the form of an ascending triangle. Value 1, value 2. I think we're gonna complete a value 3, and then pump, we break out. Things could get really volatile towards the right direction, which is up. That's the direction that we're looking for. So yeah, and yeah, we're not exactly collapsing in a violent manner, right? I mean, of course, if you're collapsing violently, then that's a different story. But yeah, if anything, I think more likely than not, there could be a potential spike coming on for XRP against BTC towards the upside. Once we break the resistance line, that's it. That's it. I think the bullish trend would be continuing towards the upside. So I think this probably has something to do with the SEC, maybe. I'm not too sure, but yeah, this is developing very bullishly though. To be honest, this looks real bullish to me. So if and when the time comes, we'll be very, very interested to put on a trade for XRP. Especially against the USD pair. Right? XRP against USD, we actually retraced to the 0.618 golden retracement ratio. If we pull the Fibonacci retracement tool up, this is 0.618. Do you see it, boys and girls? This is what you call the golden retracement ratio. And we have already hit it. So, so if anything, yeah, this could be a big reversal. We're not too sure ourselves though, so we're being very, very cautious about calling reversals. We need to see clear tradable chart patterns first. So just to give ourselves a fresh perspective on things, we are going to draw another resistance line over here. Right, we're gonna delete this. You see it? So it becomes a falling wedge, right? Instead of expecting two parallel lines for a channel, this could be a falling wedge. So yeah, because it respects the three touches over here, right? It's solidified by the three touches, the existence of the resistance line. 1, 2, 3. You see that, boys and girls? And we are actually following the skinny pink line down as well, parallel to the skinny pink line. So I'm looking forward to the break of the skinny pink line eventually. I still can't tell whether if this is going to complete as a symmetrical triangle, or there's going to be some weird shenanigans. We drop a little bit lower before we hit higher, right? Maybe you get something like an inverse head and shoulders over here, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, boom, we break the skinny pink line for real, for good. But yeah, we're still not sure. We're still not sure at this point of time. So be very, very careful, because we could still dip a little bit lower, because symmetrical triangles are bidirectional, which means that we can go down and we can also go up, right? This is the thing about symmetrical triangles. But more likely than not, if the preceding trend is bullish, we get a symmetrical triangle. The expectation is that the subsequent trend should be bullish as well. So we're expecting XRP to hit higher rather than lower. However, there is major resistance at the skinny pink line. So yeah, even if we do break, it's not going to be something small. It's going to be a very big break, in my opinion, right? We'll probably head towards like 70 cents, I think, from 46 cents. But yeah, of course, we need to see high quality, a very high quality one first, before we call any sort of a break. But the potential is there. So yeah, we're very interested for a trade for XRP against USD, right? But if you look at the bigger time frame, right, ladies and gentlemen, XRP is completing a symmetrical triangle. Do you see it? This is actually a gift for you. Yeah, so if anything, the boys and I in Patreon, we have been looking at this day and night, week after week, month after month, and we're expecting a big symmetrical triangle to complete, and then sayonara bitches, XRP heads towards $100. Okay, let's come back down to earth, right? We don't know if it's going to hit 100, but this looks good. I like the development so far for XRP. Let me give you another example, right? If you look over here, do you see this? It's a very, very, very high quality symmetrical triangle. What happened? Do you know what happened? Yeah, we went crazy. How many percent? 68,000%. right? This is a 666x move, which means that if you had $1,000 at the bottom over here, you will have 686,000 at the top for just 1,000. Crazy stuff, right? This is absolute insanity. So yeah, that's XRP for you. That is XR freaking P for you. And yeah, so we're forming something else over here, not something else, but a similar chart pattern over here, right? So can you imagine once we form this, we went para, we're gonna form another thing, and can you imagine the next parabolic move coming, right? And potentially this could be a wave 3. Wave 3 is usually the longest, never the shortest, right? So if wave 1 is that long, wave 2, wave 3 could be, yeah, so like I was saying, $100 is not out of the question, right? It's potential, $100. So 10 cents to 100, okay, we're not at 10 cents, we're at 45 cents. So 45 cents to $100 will be 239. Of course, not as much as you know, as things go. I mean, as the price goes higher and higher and higher, the amount of percentage that you gain back gets less and less and less and less. So that is just the nature of the markets. So even if you can get 232x, right, this is already insane, right? 1,000 gets you 232,000. 10,000 gets you 2.3 million. 100,000 gets you 23 million. This is just insane stuff. So in my opinion, yeah, we want to get the timing right. So that's why we are monitoring things very closely. We've been monitoring, the boys and I have been monitoring it, and yeah, I mean, when the time comes, we'll be making entries because potentially we could still head lower, right? We still don't know what's the deal over here, but yeah, we've been monitoring XRP very, very closely, right? New World Order coin. What do you think? What do you think, right? So yeah, because another thing about XRP is that it's a strange puppy. It's a centralized coin. It is from the outset, outset. The XRP has maintained that it's a centralized coin. It's never meant to be decentralized, and yeah, it's just utilizing the tech, the blockchain tech. So yeah. Anyway, I guess that's it for my XRP technical analysis. Timing is everything, and we hope to get the timing right. And yeah, we'll see how things go. But XRP does look pretty good to us at the moment. And yeah, there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next video, right? See you. Ta-ta!